Going to tell you how to add the symbols in the AutoCAD 2025. So after launching the AutoCAD, you can see this screen on the display. Now you have to select the new option where you can designing the new project. Okay, for example, here there is a line. Okay, so here at the end you want to insert some symbols, like you can add any symbols like alpha, beta, gamma, any other additional if you want to insert here. Okay, for example, at this point at the left corner or left point of the line where you want to insert as alpha, for example. Okay, so you have to select the text first. There you can either select the multi-text or single line. So multi-line, if you select it, then click that point where you want to be specify the symbol. So this is the first point which have been selected here. After selecting here, you will get, okay, again you can take the left side, and here it is ask you for to type the any letters. Okay, now if you see the here icons, there is an symbol icon here. You can check after the selecting of the text you are getting this option. Okay, before that you don't get the option of symbols. Okay, if you select the text options or text command, then only you will get the symbol. Then you can add here, okay, by clicking the symbol. So by default here, so many already some symbols are there. For example, there is a percentage d and u plus some basic symbols are there. If you want something different than this, okay, if you want to add something more which is not visible in the icon, then you can again go for the insert. Okay, here this another dialog box will be appear here. So from here you can select the n number of the symbols. You can select first here. Okay, so whatever the symbol you want, there are so many symbols will be added here. Okay, so any symbols which you want to be add, just select that. Okay, for example, I want to add the omega also there, alpha is there, here omega is there. Okay, so alpha bar is there. So different types of symbols also you can find here, right? All these are the symbols. Now select any one symbol which you want to be add. For example, I will select this alpha, beta, anything. Okay, so here is that this is beta. If you want to add beta, theta, so first I will select beta, then go for select, then copy. Okay, after selecting, then make as copy. Okay, then close this, then enter in the cursor where you have the text option. Now from here again enter the right click from your mouse, then here you will get the option of paste. Now you can make as paste. So you got the beta. Okay, so this size is very small here, so if you want you can increase the size of that text also. Again go for MText. You have to enter the MText. There you can change the size. So if you want to select here, then it will ask you to change the size. Sorry, it was MText. Select the corner, then go for height. Okay, I repeat again, MText. Select the corner, then you will get this height option. Select the height. So by default it's 2.5. You can change to 15 or 20 because it's very small looking. So you can enter 20, then enter. So now you can select here, say paste. Okay, this is visible now as compared to this. You can remove this. Okay, so similarly you can add wherever you want. the different types of symbols in your background. Okay, so thank you for watching.